yesterday. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my stuff together and start my chicken noodle soup. I don't know if I should do it on camera, or should I just leave the camera where it's at. I'm not sure. I'm trying to think. Should I cook live or what should I do? You know what I'm gonna put in my chicken noodle soup? Oh, I'm gonna put some of this in it. Hold on. My favorite. So yes, guys, I'm gonna. You know I love my veggie, so I'm gonna put some bok choy. I'm gonna add some of this to it. So of course I'm gonna add some of this at the last minute, like when I'm almost finished cooking. So I'm gonna put a couple stalk on top of it, you know. I love that. Alright, so I'm not putting too much. I'm not putting too much. Let me see which one looks better. I don't want too much in it. I don't want to think I'm cooking a green pot soup. No, it's chicken noodle soup. So it's not a green pot soup. Nope, 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 nope. You gotta build that spirit up, guys. Come on, build it up, build it up. All right, let me plug this back in and get the party roll in. So are you able to see what I'm doing, or we need to tilt it down a bit more? All right, there we go. All righty. I'm sorry, the camera is shaking. All right, but you can see, right? Yeah, that's a good thing. All right. All righty, let's get a container. What should I get? All right, get this one. I'm getting this one. Then I'm gonna get the knife, right? Yeah. It's rather dark or something. Where's the light at? Oh, is it? No, it's not dark. It's just my eyes. Alrighty. Alrighty. Alright, I got everything I need. Alright. I have everything I need. I have everything I need. Yeah. I have everything I need, guys. Okay, so she gotta go on some phone calls and she'll be back. Thank you guys for hanging around. Thank you guys for staying. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. You guys are amazing. Thank you for showing love always. You guys are amazing. Okay, so this is the pumpkin. Yep, I always put pumpkin in the chicken noodle soup. I don't know about you guys, but I do. I'm not even gonna play around, because I'm not cutting my finger today, okay? Ah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I'm just getting the stuff together. Should I cut it like this? What do you think? Yeah? Okay. Ooh. Alrighty. You know, if this tilt like that, I'm in trouble, right? So, yeah, I gotta be careful. So I'm just cutting the pumpkin to go in the soup. Alright. Ooh, 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 ooh.